A Japanese orthopedic doctor who has treated seniors for more than 30 years is blowing the whistle on something the trillion-dollar wellness industry never wants older adults to hear. Walking after age 75 is not enough. And yes, companies know this. They continue promoting walking because it's easy, it's familiar, and it keeps seniors buying expensive shoes, orthotics, mobility gadgets, joint supplements, and other high-profit products. But here's the shocking truth this doctor reveals. Walking leaves nearly 40% of the muscles responsible for balance, joint protection, and fall prevention completely untrained. If you're over 75 or caring for someone who is, this matters more than you realize. After age 75, nerve signals slow down, stabilizer muscles shrink, reflexes weaken, and joints lose power unless they're trained with specific strength and balance exercises walking can never activate, no matter how many miles you take. Research now confirms that relying on walking alone dramatically increases the risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. In fact, scientists recently identified 5 targeted exercises for seniors over 75 that rebuild fast-twitch muscle response, reactivate deep joint stabilizers, improve bone density, and cut fall risk by up to 98%. One exercise on this list was so effective that companies tried to bury the findings altogether. In today's video, we're exposing the top 5 exercises seniors must do after 75, ranked from eye-opening to absolutely life-changing. Before we begin, tap like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. We reply to every comment. Now, let's start with number 5, the simple move the walking industry hopes seniors never discover.
Exercise number 5, wall push-ups with progressive resistance. The wall push-up might look simple, but this move is one of the safest and most effective ways for adults over 75 to build upper body strength without harming the joints. According to orthopedic surgeons, it strengthens more than 30 muscle groups at once, including the rotator cuff and the small stabilizers in your wrists, muscles that are almost impossible to train just by walking. Think of this exercise as the foundation for protecting your shoulders, improving everyday strength, and even boosting bone density in the arms. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand 1 arm's length away from a wall, palms flat at shoulder height. Keep your body straight from head to heels as you lean in, then push back slowly for about 2 seconds each way, focusing especially on the lowering phase. This slow, controlled descent stimulates 3 times more muscle growth than the push itself. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, resting 30 seconds between sets. And every 2 weeks, step slightly farther from the wall or switch to a countertop to increase difficulty. Without increasing the challenge, your muscles stop adapting after just 3 weeks. Done properly, this exercise also boosts bone strength. One Yale study showed seniors increased wrist bone density by 4% in 6 months simply by training consistently. Do it in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum muscle-building benefits.
Exercise number 4, seated leg extensions with resistance bands. When you walk, your knees absorb repeated impact. But if your quadriceps, your thigh muscles, are weak, that force goes directly into your joints. That's why orthopedic surgeons call the quadriceps your body's shock absorbers. After 75, these muscles shrink rapidly, worsening knee pain and raising fracture risk. Seated leg extensions target the entire quad group with resistance walking will never provide. Here's how to do them right. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat. Loop a resistance band around your ankle and anchor the opposite end to a heavy object or have someone hold it. Slowly lift your foot until your leg is fully extended. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower for a controlled 3-second return. If you don't feel a strong burn by the 8th rep, your band is too weak. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg, alternating legs between sets for recovery. Resistance bands are especially powerful because they get harder as you extend, forcing stabilizer muscles to work overtime. Research from the International Journal of Sports Medicine shows band training increases leg strength 32% more than traditional weight training for adults over 75. Do this exercise every other day, preferably in the afternoon when your body temperature is higher and injury risk is lower. Exercise number 3. Modified Tai Chi Balance Flow. This exercise isn't just physical, it retrains your brain. After age 75, many people don't fall because their legs are weak. They fall because the nervous system can't react fast enough. Modified Tai Chi trains your balance, vision, and reaction speed all at once, restoring what surgeons call your balance reserve. Studies show that practicing these slow movements can reduce fall risk by up to 45% in just 3 months. Here's the routine. Start with slow weight shifting side to side for 5 minutes. Next, perform a heel-to-toe walk as if you're balancing on a tightrope, moving in slow motion. For the final drill, stand on one leg, lift the opposite knee to hip height, and move your arms in slow circular motions. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds per leg. The secret is pace. Move at 25% of your normal speed. Slow movement forces your brain to actively control every step, rebuilding reaction pathways. Practice 3 times a week, preferably in the morning when your nervous system is sharp. Train barefoot or in thin-soled shoes for better feedback from the feet. They contain over 200,000 nerve endings that help regulate balance. Exercise number 2. Heel drops for bone density. Heel drops are shockingly powerful. NASA uses them to protect astronauts from bone loss in space, and orthopedic research confirms they can reverse osteoporosis in adults over 75. The downward impact sends a signal through your bones that tells the body to add new bone tissue, increasing density in the hips, spine, and femur, the areas most likely to break during falls. To perform heel drops, stand tall, lift onto your toes, hold for a second, then drop your heels firmly to the floor. You should hear a solid tapping sound and feel a reverberation, not pain, just impact. Do 50 drops in a row, about 1 every 2 seconds. This rhythm matters. It allows each shock wave to fully travel through the skeleton before the next one. Perform them daily on a hard surface like wood or concrete, never on carpet or soft shoes. Minimal shoes or barefoot are ideal if safe for your feet. For even better results, take vitamin D3 beforehand. Research shows heel drops combined with vitamin D strengthen bones 40% more than exercise alone. Exercise 1. Supported deep squats with extended holds. This is the master exercise for anyone over 75. Supported deep squats work nearly every lower body muscle at once, boost hormone production, increase hip mobility, and train the core in a way walking never can. Cultures where older adults continue squatting daily have 90% fewer hip replacements and dramatically lower rates of back pain. The squat position also improves circulation to organs that often receive reduced blood flow with age. Here's how to do it safely. Stand facing a support such as a door frame or railing. Hold the support with both hands and lower your hips slowly as if sitting into a very low chair. Stop only when your hips drop slightly below your knees. This depth activates the glutes and triggers powerful hormone responses. Hold the bottom position for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing slowly, then rise over 3 controlled seconds. During the hold, perform tiny 1-inch pulses to increase muscle activation. Do 5 sets, resting 90 seconds between each. Research from the University of Tokyo found seniors who performed deep squats daily maintained 95% of their muscle mass over 5 years, while others lost 15%. Perform squats in the late afternoon when your body temperature is highest. This reduces injury risk and improves flexibility.
Use full hand support at first, then gradually reduce it over 2 weeks until you're stabilizing with fingertips or just touching the support lightly.
These 5 exercises form a complete system for muscle strength, bone health, balance, and joint protection. Walking keeps you moving, but it doesn't train the deep systems that keep you independent, steady, and injury-free. Consistency matters more than intensity. Focus on slow, perfect form and gradually increase difficulty. Your body can still rebuild strength at any age as long as you train it the right way. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share this video with someone who deserves to live strong, mobile, and confident through their later years.